Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 18th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly review of the SPY front testing strategy, the day open, day close. Now for this week, which was starting on the 12th, the first signal we had was a buy signal, which gave us a loss of 1,818 or 0.177%. The next day, on the 13th, we had another buy signal, which gave us a profit of $10,595.73 or 1.022%, bringing our cumulative portfolio return up to 4.669%. Now, for the 14th, let me highlight this. We had another buy signal, gave us a smaller profit of 1,728.9 or 0.164%, which would bring our cumulative portfolio return up to 4.833%. Next, on the 15th, we had another buy signal, which gave us a profit of $6,783 or 0.646% profit, bringing our cumulative return up to 5.479%. On the last day, we had a sell signal, which was a loss of $5,508.34 or a 0.525% loss, bringing our final cumulative portfolio return for the week down to 4.954%, and the daily return for the the cumulative return for the SPY in this time was 499%. So our portfolio alpha is now significantly down to minus 10.544%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.